High in the mountains, soaring above rugged landscapes, lives a bird of remarkable habits and striking appearance. The bearded vulture, also known as the Lammergeier or Ossifrage. This magnificent creature possesses a dietary preference as unique as its name suggests: bones. Unlike most vultures that feast on soft tissues, the bearded vulture has evolved to specialize in consuming the skeletal remains of carcasses, effectively recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Their powerful beaks, while lacking the sharp, cutting edge of other raptors, are perfectly designed to crack and crush bones. They often carry large bones high into the air, dropping them onto rocky outcrops to shatter them into manageable pieces. This fascinating behavior, a testament to their intelligence and adaptability, has earned them a place of wonder and respect among naturalists and bird enthusiasts alike. The bearded vulture, scientifically classified as gypaetusbarbatus, is represented by two recognized subspecies, barbatus and meridionalis. The former inhabits mountainous regions across Eurasia, from the Iberian Peninsula in the west to the Himalayas in the east. The latter, slightly smaller in size, is found further south, primarily in the mountainous regions of eastern and southern Africa. Despite their vast range, bearded vultures are not uniformly distributed. They are typically found in isolated pockets, inhabiting areas with suitable nesting sites and abundant prey. Their preference for remote, inaccessible areas has helped them avoid human disturbance to some extent, but it has also made studying and conserving them a challenging endeavor. The bearded vulture, once a common sight across its range, has sadly suffered a significant decline in numbers over the past few centuries. Human activities, both direct and indirect, bear the brunt of the blame for this unfortunate trend. Persecution, driven by the misconception that they prey on livestock, led to their eradication from many parts of Europe. Habitat loss and degradation, resulting from agricultural expansion and infrastructure development, further fragmented their populations, isolating groups and reducing genetic diversity. Additionally, the widespread use of poisons targeting other predators inadvertently affected bearded vultures, as they often scavenged on poisoned carcasses. Recognizing the perilous state of bearded vulture populations, conservationists sprang into action, implementing various measures to halt their decline and aid their recovery. Reintroduction programs, involving the release of captive bred birds into areas where they had disappeared, have met with considerable success, particularly in the Alps and other parts of Europe. Strict legal protection, banning hunting and poisoning, has also been instrumental in allowing populations to stabilize and even increase in some areas. Raising awareness among local communities, dispelling myths about their livestock-killing tendencies, has fostered tolerance and even appreciation for these magnificent birds. While conservation efforts in Europe provide a beacon of hope, the situation for bearded vultures in other parts of their range remains precarious. In Asia, they face similar threats from habitat loss, poisoning, and persecution. The use of diclofenac, a veterinary drug lethal to vultures, has had a devastating impact on their populations in the Indian subcontinent. In Africa, the challenges are intensified by economic hardship, scarcity of conservation resources, and ongoing conflicts. Despite these obstacles, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect these birds and their habitats, recognizing their important role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. The bearded vulture is a master of the skies with some remarkable physical traits and behaviors. With a wingspan reaching up to almost 3 meters, the bearded vulture is a truly awe-inspiring sight in flight. Their long, narrow wings and wedge-shaped tail allow them to soar effortlessly for hours, scanning the landscape below for their next meal. Their plumage, primarily grayish-brown, features a distinctive black beard below their piercing eyes, giving them a rather fierce, almost mythical appearance. One of their most remarkable adaptations is their ability to swallow bones whole. Their powerful stomach acids can dissolve even the densest bone, extracting every bit of nutrition. This unique adaptation allows them to thrive in harsh, unforgiving environments where other scavengers struggle to find sustenance. Bone eaters serve as nature's crucial cleanup crew in a diverse ecosystem. The bearded vulture's unusual diet plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of mountain ecosystems. By consuming bones, they prevent the spread of diseases that can thrive in decaying carcasses. Their efficient recycling of nutrients back into the food chain benefits a wide range of other species, highlighting their importance as a keystone species. Their presence also has cultural significance for many indigenous communities who view them with reverence and respect. Their soaring flight and impressive size have inspired myths and legends, further emphasizing their importance in the tapestry of life. The bearded vulture's future is fraught with uncertainty and demand innovative solutions. While conservation efforts have brought about some positive changes, the future of the bearded vulture remains uncertain. The challenges they face are complex and multifaceted, requiring long-term commitment and international collaboration to address effectively. However, amidst these challenges lie opportunities for innovation and positive change. Advances in technology, such as satellite tracking and genetic analysis, provide valuable tools for monitoring populations and understanding their behavior. Engaging local communities in conservation efforts, fostering stewardship and appreciation for these magnificent birds holds the key to their long-term survival. This is a call to action. Let's protect our feathered recyclers. The story of the bearded vulture serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact human actions can have on the natural world. Their plight highlights the urgent need to protect not only individual species, but also the fragile ecosystems they inhabit. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our ecological footprint, and advocating for responsible policies, we can all contribute to ensuring a future where the skies continue to be graced by the majestic flight of the bone-eating bearded vulture. Their survival is a testament to the resilience of nature, and their continued presence serves as a beacon of hope for a healthier, more balanced planet.